Man for this, you know. Okay, man, I hustle up. Yeah, crazy, man. Any man done in the street, man, hustle up. I have a burn and I have a breathe.
Yeah, I mean I say, me and the one done, yeah. I mean I big up Bosshead, yeah. I love your thing, bossy. Information for the people, them straight. But me I say, yo, about Bolt. Yeah, me hear a whole heap of Jamaican and cuss and I talk about them disappointed about. You hear me I say? I know every day of Christmas Rasta. I'm proud of the man for what the man do for over the years. When I run for Jamaica. And he never let you down. So right now, to me see Bolt I move right now. I know say Bolt never fit. That's what I say, straight. So what me I say, you know all the people in my cuss Bolt, that's what I say, straight. Yeah man, I don't want to cuss the man. Because when the man win a lot of medals for the country, everybody is happy. So right now, we can see that the man now really 100% fit. I mean, I wonder if the coach don't know what going on with the man. The coach is one of them who's supposed to get blamed. That's what I say. I embarrass man, let the man embarrass himself. I embarrass the country. But I'm proud of him seeing where straight Usain Bolt to the fucking world. I don't want Dan say that. You hear that? So all I know we are chat about, you know, disappointed. When you go suck on the woman and go, disappointed on the man for what? All along, the man alone race. And I do him thing. And the one time the man can't win. The one time the man can't win. I cuss the man and I talk about disappointed. If you go and allow the man alone, you can't do what the man do. Straight, that me I tell you now. I the one that I chat, you hear that? So who don't like that, nobody play this and listen to this. Because I shoot me a chat. Straight.
Money from my brain, dog, money from my brain, no head man, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain.